Hello. I'm Tracy Stout. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Communications for PMMI, the producer of the PAC Expo portfolio of trade shows. Thank you so much for joining us today, and welcome to the largest PAC Expo Las Vegas in our history. And so as such, we have more technology and networking and education for everyone to take advantage of than ever before. So I'll be very brief. This morning we have a really good program for you. We're going to kick off with Jim Pittis, who is the President and CEO of PMMI. And he's going to provide a brief overview of the show. And then following Jim will be Jorge Izquierdo, who's the Vice President of Marketing Development for PMI, who will present the findings from our 2025 State of the Industry Report. So please welcome Jim Pittis.